BMO Airporter World Elite Mastercard Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. The BMO Airporter World Elite Mastercard is designed for frequent travellers, but most people get this wrong. They assume the annual fee outweighs the benefits. The surprising truth is that this card delivers value far beyond the cost if you understand its perks. The annual fee is, which is offset by unlimited air miles rewards on travel purchases, concierge services, and travel insurance including trip cancellation, lost luggage, and emergency medical coverage. You won't believe the convenience. Cardholders also receive exclusive airport perks and access to special promotions, making travel smoother and more rewarding. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the fee. They overlook redemption flexibility. Air miles can be redeemed for flights, hotels, merchandise, or gift cards, often delivering more value per point than cashback cards. In conclusion, the BMO Airporter World Elite Mastercard is priced to balance annual costs with travel benefits. By understanding rewards, earning potential, insurance coverage, and exclusive perks, you go from zero to pro in maximizing travel value, making it a smart choice for frequent flyers.